In this video, I will provide you with 5 more tips that just might make all the difference in the world on your next bathroom remodeling project. And I will put a link to the video I have already made at the end of this particular video. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, one of the biggest problems with any project you are going to do in the future is designing an efficient and sustainable plan, and part of that process will be to understand as many of the reasons why you should or should not do something. So let's get started and see if I can provide you with a few tips to help you design a better bathroom, even though it might not be the bathroom of your dreams. Number 1, long-lasting and low maintenance. Maybe before getting a little creative with your stuff, this would include anything made of wood, like this wood sink here. Wood flooring. I have seen people install wood flooring. Now, I don't know if you could install the laminate stuff that still has particle board in it, something that can expand. You know, anything that you think can absorb moisture shouldn't be installed in the bathroom unless it's something like this mirror here, something that can be removed easily and replaced. Number 2, take a common sense approach to the materials you are going to use. This would include any tile backing board. Here's a situation where I installed a tile shower, a tub surround, and needed to come back and replace it because the product I use wasn't going to be as effective as a better product. So I used a green board drywall, and you can see what happened, and I should have used something else like maybe a cement fiberboard. Number 3, don't remove storage if you need it. This is another problem that I see happen more often than not. If you remove a linen closet to make room, for example, for a bathtub or a shower, or to add more room to the bathroom itself, but you eliminate any places where you're going to be able to store items like towels, makeup, or even your rubber duckies, you could have a problem. Another thing to consider, and I see this a lot, is when you install a pedestal sink and then you do not have any cabinet storage underneath the sink. Definitely something to consider. Number 4, this could be another problem if you are a little taller or shorter than average. Will you actually be able to fit into the bathtub if you're over 6 foot tall? Definitely something to consider. And of course, toilets, another problem. If you are taller, you might need a taller toilet, something a little higher off of the ground. And of course, if you are shorter, then of course a taller one might be ridiculous. Something else to consider, this has been a problem. I actually installed a couple of toilets for older people, removed the shorter ones and installed taller ones because they were having a difficult time getting up off of them. And of course, anything you could possibly hit your head on. This would include shelves located in the wrong spot, and of course, light fixtures. Another thing to consider will be low shower heads. If you are taller, you might need to raise the shower head in your bathroom. Number 5, and probably the best tip in this video, if you have never experienced it, I hope you do not ever have to. Will it actually fit through the door? This would include large one-piece shower or bath units. Now, I've actually seen people carry these things away in their vehicles, and I'm wondering, oh my God, do they know that that's not going to fit into their home? They will never get it through the doors, turn it through the hallways, and get it through the bathroom door. And it is something you need to consider. If you are going to purchase a pre-manufactured bathtub or shower unit, then try to get one that comes in multiple pieces that will fit through your door. Now, if you are having a problem, you can't get it through your bathroom door, but you can get it down the hallway and everything else, you might actually just need to remove the door and or the door trim, the jamb, everything. I've had to do that before to get something into a bathroom. So hope it helps. And if it does, you know what to do with the old thumbs up button.